October and all the fall festivals are now gone, and we thought we'd provide our visitors with some of the fun that you might have missed. If you get a chance, come visit with us next year during late October and early November for all the fun festivals. This first clip is some scenes from the Ghost Train at Tweetsie Railroad on Saturday night. And then yesterday, Halloween, we had the trunk or treat activities at the Bannerell Park, Town Park in Bannerell, North Carolina. Gonna hush now, just kind of listen in a little bit, and we'll show you some sights and sounds.
That might be enough if we were cloning bunny rabbits. No, you must provide real screams. Shriek as though your life depends on it, which it does. Now once again, 1, 2, 3. Good, good. Now witness what I have created. Emerge from your pods and greet the night, my fellow Professor Peppercorns.
They're not that scary. Oh my gosh, they're coming
Madison, loud screaming.
Here we go.
There, go down there. Use parental discretion. It is scary. Hey, trunk vendors, if you run out of goodies to give away, come see us.
That'd be me.
Head right over there to the pavilion and ask for Mrs. Swifty.
I know you don't recognize me, but I was on your boat.
House.
Yeah, I think you don't expect the chainsaw thing.
I'm 3.5.
We went to the train and then it was like a whole 2 hours. This lady comes out. What are you doing? Yeah, and you're in No, that was just to do with the So I go, I'm not going either. And I walked right out the line. So we were going through the haunted house.
It's now November 1st, 2011, and as you guys know, we got some snow this past weekend. Here's a shot at Sugar Mountain after 2 inches of snow fell this past weekend across the top of Sugar, Beach Mountain areas, those areas. Up towards Snowshoe, they had up to 1 foot of snow that fell again this weekend, close to 20 inches now in the month of October. Very snowy month up that way. Massanutten and some of the other areas got 4 to 5 inches of snow, as did Wisp Resort up in Maryland. So now we're just waiting on the snow guns to crank up as some cold temperatures come in. Looking for that to maybe happen the first of next week. Please check back for more video updates.